Moto G15 is expected to launch globally very soon. The renders of the phones recently surfaced online, showing off the design and color options. Moto G15 feature a 6.72-inch FHD plus IPS LCD display, a notable upgrade over the 6.5-inch display on the Moto G14. The screen will have a Corning Gorilla Glass 3. The Moto G15 will be powered by the MediaTek Helio G81 Ultra chipset, with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 256GB of internal storage. Geekbench listing of the device confirms the presence of Android 15 out of the box. As for cameras, Moto G15 will pack a dual camera setup on the rear, a 50MP primary sensor, 5MP secondary lens and 8MP selfie camera. The Moto G15 may pack a 5200 mAh battery with 18W turbo power fast charging. The Moto G15 rumored to launch at 9,999 rupees or 10,000. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.